We explore smart motors and IoT integration, the foundation of modern industrial automation. A smart motor communicates, reports, and responds. As technologists, you need to understand how motors connect to the digital world. We will move from basic concepts to real-world applications. A smart motor is a regular motor with added intelligence, featuring built-in sensors and a communication module. This allows for real-time speed and torque control, automatic diagnostics, and real-time energy tracking. This connectivity enables engineers to monitor motors remotely. IoT stands for the Internet of Things, the connection of physical devices to the Internet for data sharing. The core flow is sense, connect, and act. Sensors collect data, protocols like MQTT transmit it, and the cloud or edge system takes action, such as adjusting speed or generating an alert. Industrial IoT uses a layered architecture. The field level includes the motor and drive. The edge level processes data locally using a gateway to limit data sent to the cloud level. Data flows up, and commands flow down. Modern protocols like OPC-UA and MQTT are crucial for smart factories. Smart motors use multiple sensors. Current sensors detect overloads, and temperature sensors prevent thermal damage. Crucially, vibration sensors detect bearing wear weeks in advance, enabling predictive maintenance. Position encoders are vital for precise motion control in applications like robotics. Protocols are the communication standards for industrial devices. Modbus is common in older systems, while OPC-UA is the modern standard for vendor-neutral integration. PROFINET and Ethernet/IP are used for high-speed control, and MQTT is ideal for cloud and remote monitoring due to its lightweight nature. Predictive maintenance is a significant advancement over reactive and preventative maintenance. It uses continuous sensor data and AI to identify developing faults, allowing maintenance to be scheduled precisely when needed. This approach can reduce unplanned downtime by up to 50%. Smart motors are deployed across many industries. In manufacturing, they auto-adjust speed to save energy and prevent jams. In oil and gas, remote monitoring prevents leaks. HVAC systems use them to save 30 to 40% on electricity. The common factor is data enabling better, more efficient decisions. Motors consume 45% of global electricity. Variable frequency drives and IoT dramatically reduce this waste. Reducing a motor's speed to 50% lowers power consumption to only 12.5% because power follows the cube of speed. Real-time load data from IoT sensors enables the VFD to match speed to actual demand. Implementing IoT motors presents 4 challenges: cybersecurity, legacy integration, data overload, and the workforce skills gap. Solutions include network segmentation, IoT retrofit modules, and edge computing to process data locally. Cross-disciplinary training is essential for future engineers. Future trends include AI-driven motor control, allowing motors to self-tune for optimal efficiency. Digital twins offer virtual test environments for risk-free procedure changes. 5G networks enable real-time wireless control. Finally, Motor-as-a-Service shifts the business model to buying uptime rather than hardware. In summary, smart motors combine motors, sensors, and communication. IoT enables the sense, connect, act cycle. Choosing the right protocol is vital. Predictive maintenance cuts downtime by half, and VFDs save significant energy. Edge computing and security must be prioritized for industrial applications.